Ben, so what's good for you? What in particular in terms of this trip have you really enjoyed?
I've enjoyed heaps. One of the biggest things that I've enjoyed is going to different people and talking to them, making connections with them and seeing how they succeed and, how they got to where they were. Like, for example, Craig, he's basic, he learns from others, and he just builds on stuff, and after a while, he's made his goal, and then, like Ty said, he's selling his company for hundreds of millions of dollars. So standout for me would be, how different people make their own goals, and what other people's structures are, and how they get to where they are now.
What was Google like? Google was cool?
Yeah, Google was massive. We got toured around by 3 Kiwis. They were real nice and carrying climbing. They looked after us for a few hours and showed us all around Google, and it was mean. It's a huge campus, and everyone's all enthusiastic and everyone cares for each other, and it's a good environment.
What about old when that guy Craig? Yeah, I mean, a lot of kids have talked about not Craig, sorry, Richie, Matua Richie. What was the thing in terms of his teaching style or whatever?
The thing with Richie, he engages everyone in the class. So there's no one, I'll just sit back and I won't say anything. He includes everybody in the class, and he makes it like a safe environment, for all of us to be confident and to not be shy of each other. And he just taught us, that to take risks and don't be shy, because at the end of the day, shy doesn't get it doesn't get you anywhere.
Awesome. So in terms of subjects and stuff, has this made you think about, I don't know, when you go back to school, what you're going to do?
Yeah, definitely. Well, because heaps of people, because we meet so much people, they all do different stuff.
Yeah.
Engineering, science, maths, businessmen. And because we've been shown a lot of paths, it's made all of us, it's made all of us kids, think, maybe I'm not so much into medicine anymore. Maybe I want to be more of a businessman, or, maybe, your thoughts have changed because of other inspirational people that have talked to us.
Nara ki o whakaro, ka huka koe ki te kāinga, ka aha koe. Ka rereke o mahi, o whakaro, ka haranei.
Yeah, well, we've been asked this question a lot, especially from Mauao, are you guys going to go back, and are we going to take us back to school? And then, yeah, because, well, today we split into 2 groups, and we had a class, and me and the boys and some girls did some routing, and, we want to take that back to school and show you, show all our mates, look like we've learned, look like we've done, let's teach you fellas, so you fellas can teach others, and others can teach others.
Awesome. Awesome, brother.